Good evening, traders. This is Brian with TraderShark.com, an educational website to learn how to trade the E-mini S&P futures. Today is Friday, February 17th, 2012. The following are a few examples of trade setups that occur on a consistent basis. These trade setups are described in detail in the trading manual and in the live daily Shark Den, where the more advanced setups are discussed. Today we are showing 3 trade setups for a potential profit of 18 ticks. Now the market, in all, you're going to see on the screen, we have a total of 6 trade setups, and stay tuned for the latter part of the screen here, and we're going to show you how the wave trades set up on both a shorter time frame and a longer time frame chart. The market opened up this morning at 1360.50, represented by the white dotted line. We don't trade from 9:30 till 9:45. It's a no trade zone. Coming out of the no trade zone, we did have an opportunity to get short, but it was like 4 minutes. Our rule is 3 minutes of the news report. We don't take any trades. We had a news report at 10 o'clock, and this occurred at 9:54. So we were 4 minutes before the news report. I chose not to take the trade, but it did set up and complete. Target 1 and Target 2 were hit for a total of 6 ticks. And then we have an opening range. The breakout of this opening range to the downside, Target 1 and Target 2 were hit for a total of 6 ticks. Pulled back up into the opening range and dropped down for another opportunity for Target 1 and Target 2 for a total of 6 ticks. This one just barely hit that last contract. We then, remember this was options expiration day, so there's going to be a lot of volatility, slow movement, low volume. We had another pullback to our moving average. Target 1 and Target 2 were hit for a total of 6. There's your 3 trades for 18 ticks. There's a total of 4 trades for 24 ticks if you took that first trade. Then we go into what's called a no trade zone from 11:30 until 1:15 Eastern Standard Time. Notice how narrow this no trade zone is. This is not normal. This is a low volume, options expiration kind of day. We expect a lot of chop. And so if you were patient, I want you to see, notice here we have an entry at around 2 o'clock, just before 3, and on in after 3:15. They are all pushing to the upside based on how you took the trades. We had what's called a TWT to the upside here for 6 to 8 ticks, and an EWT. Both here you could have had, actually this could have been 3 solid trades. If you entered here, you would have had a little bit of pressure to the downside prior to continuing on for the 8 ticks. Now this is the lower time frame chart for the entry. Now let's go ahead and just real quick, this is what we were looking at. We use our momentum indicator. This is called a TWT, a wave trade to the upside. Once we got into overbought extended position, we had further opportunity for an EWT. And so notice the time frames. Again, this is a higher time frame chart from start to finish. And that's why you want to call it a wave. We stay in the direction of the trend. We had the wave start here, and we had the wave finishing here, right there towards the end. And there's your entry. So we have what's called an anchor chart or a setup chart, and here's your trigger chart. Anybody that stayed in for the last part of the day, nice clean trades. To learn more about these and more advanced trade setups, or to get a copy of the Trader Shark Trading Manual, please visit TraderShark.com. Thank you, and I'll see you in the Shark Den on Monday morning. Have a great weekend, everybody.